Imagine standing on Earth 4.5 billion years ago. No oceans, no trees, no animals, no oxygen. Just a giant ball of molten rock constantly bombarded by massive asteroids, with volcanoes erupting across its surface. Yet somehow, this lifeless world became the only known planet in the universe to support life. How did that happen? Stay with me, because Earth's incredible journey from a fiery wasteland to a thriving blue planet is one of the greatest stories ever told. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe. Our story begins about 4.54 billion years ago. At that time, the young sun was surrounded by a swirling disk of gas, dust, and rock. Tiny particles collided, sticking together and gradually forming larger bodies called planetesimals. Over millions of years, one of these growing worlds became Earth. As more and more objects crashed into it, the planet grew hotter and hotter until its surface melted into a vast ocean of lava. Then came one of the most important events in Earth's history. A Mars-sized object, often called Theia, slammed into the young Earth. The collision was so powerful that enormous amounts of rock were blasted into space. Those fragments eventually came together to form our moon. The moon would later stabilize Earth's rotation and help create the tides that shaped life. After millions of years, Earth's surface slowly cooled. The first solid crust formed over the molten interior. Volcanoes released huge amounts of water vapor, carbon dioxide, and other gases into the atmosphere. As temperatures continued to drop, the water vapor condensed into rain. It rained and rained for millions of years. The rain filled giant basins, creating Earth's first oceans. These oceans became the birthplace of life. Around 3.8 billion years ago, something extraordinary happened. Tiny microscopic organisms appeared in the oceans. These simple cells were Earth's first living creatures. For hundreds of millions of years, life remained microscopic. Then, some bacteria evolved the ability to perform photosynthesis, using sunlight to make food while releasing oxygen. At first, that oxygen reacted with iron in the oceans. Eventually, oxygen began filling the atmosphere. This event, known as the Great Oxygenation event, completely transformed the planet. Although it caused many early organisms to die, it paved the way for more complex life. About 540 million years ago, evolution accelerated dramatically. In what's known as the Cambrian Explosion, countless new species suddenly appeared. Fish swam through the oceans. Plants spread across the land. Soon, insects, amphibians, reptiles, and eventually dinosaurs dominated the planet. For over 160 million years, dinosaurs ruled Earth. Then, about 66 million years ago, disaster struck. A massive asteroid slammed into Earth. The impact triggered enormous fires, giant tsunamis, and a cloud of dust that blocked sunlight. Most dinosaurs disappeared. But one small group of survivors would change the future forever. Early mammals. With the dinosaurs gone, mammals rapidly evolved into many different forms. Primates eventually appeared. Millions of years later, early human ancestors began walking on two legs. Over time, the human brain grew larger. People learned to make tools, control fire, build civilizations, and explore the world. Today, humans have reached the moon, explored distant planets with robotic spacecraft, and continue searching for life beyond Earth. Yet, despite all our achievements, we are still part of Earth's incredible evolutionary story. Earth has survived asteroid impacts, volcanic eruptions, global ice ages, and mass extinctions. Over 4.5 billion years, it transformed from a glowing ball of molten rock into the beautiful blue planet we call home. Every mountain, ocean, forest, and living creature is the result of billions of years of change. And Earth's story isn't over. The continents are still moving. New species continue to evolve. The sun will continue to change. And millions of years from now, Earth will look very different once again. If you enjoyed this journey through Earth's incredible history, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next documentary. Leave a comment below. Which chapter of Earth's evolution amazed you the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.